Hello, everyone. You're welcome back to our class today. My name is Victor Odigoma Ohia. In the last 3 or 4 classes, we have been looking at logarithm of numbers. We've started from the connectivity between standard form and logarithm of numbers. We examine some WIC questions, okay, that is revolving around standard form. We have done that already, and then we came down to looking at how to handle multiplication and the division of logarithm of numbers in the last class too. Then right now, what we are looking at is how one can be able to handle roots, roots and powers in logarithm of numbers, roots and powers in logarithm of numbers. I have to go this way so that if actually you are my student and you are following me, by the end, at the end of this class, you should be able to handle any problem at all. Yes, you should be able if you are following me. And if by whatever you don't have, somebody who is helping you, around your vicinity, around your locality, this platform is the best you can use to build up, and you will get everything you want here. That's the simple thing you do is to subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscription button so that you can follow anything we upload. You see it. You get all right. So here we are clearing this and this. Solution quickly. So if you were in the last class, remember that when I was looking at how to handle multiplication of a logarithm, that these were the two figures I used. Yes, they were the two figures I used. Now, if these two figures is embedded inside a root, how will one handle it? We are building up. Follow me. So I will write number, then log. There are minor issues we have handled already. Those issues is if I have 85.3, how can I find the logarithm? We have the characteristics part and the mantissa part. It's explained in the previous classes. Please check that out. The characteristics of this is 1 point, and the mantissa part will be 85 under 3. 85 under 3. In the last class, I explained to you how to find it in the logarithm table. You go to the logarithm table, check 85, just under 3. You will pick a figure there that is 9309. 9309. Okay. And then you have 7.28. The characteristics is 0. I have explained it in the previous classes why it is so. And especially when we did connection between logarithm and standard form and logarithm of numbers, I explained that. So the mantissa part will be 72 under 8. And 72 under 8 is 8621. 8621 from your table. 72 under 8. Under 8, you will check it in the table there. I explained in the last class how to find that. Okay. When I am multiplying these two numbers, I'll add their logarithm. And in that addition, we were able to have 2.7930. 2.7930 because 9 plus 1 is 10. You write 0, carry 1, put it here, that's 3. This is 9, this is 7, and then this is 2. Now if there is no root here, I would have the next thing found the anti-logarithm of this. Now because of this root, and take note that this root is covering these two numbers. Look at that carefully. It is covering these two numbers. It is not for just this. If it is just for this, As soon as I find the logarithm of this, I will divide it by 4 and then extend the answer to be added to whatever I have here. I hope that explanation is very clear. But since it is covering these two figures, what I'm going to do is that having finished the addition of this and this, then it is now here that this root will take effect. That division will take effect here, divided by 4. Do we see that? Okay. I hope you know that this thing, that fourth root of a is the same thing as a raised to power 1 over 4. We are still going to look at such matters in indices, that square root of a is equals to a raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, so and so on and so forth. We still look at them in indices when we get there. All right, continuation. Can I divide this and this? Can I divide that? 2.7930 over 4. 4 into this, not possible. I will write 0. Okay, 2 decimal points. Then 4 will go into 27. Into 27, we have something that 4 can divide. That's 24. 4 can divide 24 and give us 6. But 4 times 6 is 24. So remainder 3, which will add up to make 27. That 3 will enter here and give you 39. 39. So 4 go to 39, but 4 can divide 36. 4 can divide 36 and give us 9. So we write 9. But from 36 to 39 is 3. So we put it here to be 33. 4 divide 33. 4 divide 33. 4 can divide 32 and give us 8. 8. Remainder 1. So we write 8. So that one will enter here and become 10. So 4 divide 10. It will divide 8, give us 2. So we have got 4 digits after this decimal point. We can stop there. Okay. So this is the result. Now this is what we can go ahead and find the anti-log of this. I have told us that it is go to your anti-logarithm table, look for 0.69 under 8. Follow that line and go to the difference section and pick whatever that is there and add it to what you got in 69 under 8. Then from my own, I was able to get 4.991. Sorry, have I added point already? I was able to get yeah. Sorry, there's something I need to explain to you here. There's something I need to explain to you there. This 69 under 8 difference 2 is 4991. 4991. Okay. Now look at this, because I picked the value I have already. It's not good enough. I need to explain something. This figure now is what we have generated from the anti-logarithm table, from 0.69 under 8 difference 2. We have got this. This thing, I have said it on and on again. I'm saying it again, that anything you see here in this catalysis part that lies between 0, 1 and above, add 1 to it, and that will be the number of counts you count here, okay, to put your decimal point. That is where that point you saw here resulted from. So this is 0, I will add 1 to it, that's 1. So I will count only 1 and then put my decimal point. You see, I didn't give you that explanation and I wrote that, so I needed to go back and explain it. I'm sure this explanation is well taken. Once again, I say that if you have issue with finding these values in the logarithm table, drop a message for me in the message section and I will chat you up and show you how to do it, because it's not something I should I don't know if I should devote a separate class to show people how to find that in I don't think it's something to this thing. All right. The next question says the one sorry. All right, the question is already there. Evaluate with table. Okay. Number log, and that we have, you remember that is what I used to explain division of logarithm. Now I have added power to it. We have 184.8, and here we have 6.2. This is 2 points and this is 0 points. The mantissa part of this is 18 in your table under 4 difference 8. Add that difference to what you got from 18 under 4. My value gives me 2667. 2667. So check your own if it balances with that. Then 62 under 0. 62 under 0 gave 7924. 7924. Because it is division, there will be subtraction of this. So I will subtract. Okay. So this will give 3. That's 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 9, not possible. Take 1 here, put here. That's 16 minus 9, 7. Okay. I think that is what I have, 7 here. So take 1 here because this is remaining 1. 1 minus 7 not possible. Take 1 here. That's 11. 11 minus 11. Everybody's level of assimilation is not the same. So I try to be slow and at the same time a little bit fast. Okay. To accommodate both sides. 11 minus 7. That's 4. Okay. So this is remaining 1. So I'll bring down that 1 point. Okay. I think that is what I have. Now, what is the implication of this power? Raised to power 3. What's the implication? The implication is that this answer will be multiplied by 3. Please, anytime you see any power of that nature, it means the logarithm of that number will be multiplied by that power. Okay? And also take note that this power is covering everything here. If it is that this power belongs to only, there's no, and you are saying something like this, please, it will be this and this logarithm alone that you are going to say times 3. Take note of that, because even though when I start simplifying bigger problems, okay, that have all these both root, power, multiplication in one question, we are going to do that so that you see how I can resolve all the implications at once. Please, you have to follow us so that you can get that. But right now, I'm explaining that this power belongs to both problems. So it is the answer generated from them that we are going to say times 3. You get it now? So that is what I'm trying to explain. So 3 times 3 will give me 9. 3 times 4 will give me 12. Right? To carry 1. 3 times this will be 21 plus 1. That will be 22. I write 2, carry 2. 3 times this is 12 plus 2, 14. Write 4, carry 1. Carry 1. 3 times 3, 1 plus 4. That will 3 times 3 is 3 plus 1, 4. So that's 4 points this. Now, finally, I will get the anti-log of this. 0.42 under 2, difference 9. Go to your logarithm table. Let me do that, show you again. This is anti-logarithm table. You go to 0.42. If you look at this edge, you will see point something, point something, point something. You will keep on going until you get down to 0.42. Okay? And then you follow that line and go under 2. Under 2. Under that 2, 0.42. Under 2. Under 2, you see 2642. 2642. Okay? Under that 2642, you follow the same line and go to the difference 9. Keep on going until you get to difference 9. Any number you see there, add it to whatever you see over here. And in my own, I was able to get 6 as the difference. So that 2642 plus 6 gave me, this is 8 and this is 426. So this is what you are going to get from there. You get 2648. Okay, so that is what you will get. I'm sure that explanation is taken. So having done that, we now consider the implication of these characteristics. The implication of this, as I have kept on talking and saying, is that whatever you see here, add 1 to it. That will make this 5. And I will account to be able to know where I'm going to put the decimal points. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is exhausted. The 51, I'll add 0. So this is the answer to this simplification of this divided by this raised to power 3. All right. I am trusting God that the explanation I gave is sufficient enough to help someone out there to get. Please, if you have any challenge, like I said, drop a message on the comment section. Please like our video, and then the most important is for you to it doesn't take anything. Click on the subscription button you are seeing there. Just click on it. It doesn't take anything, just for you to be notified that we have made a new upload. You will see it. That's all. All right. Please also share this video to your friends and relatives out there who might be in need of this. Okay. With that, you are making your contribution to humanity. It doesn't take anything. Thank you so much for being there. I am Victor Odigoma Oya. God bless you.